The weight of the words hung heavy in the air. Mark clenched his fists, staring at the letter in his hands. His mentor, Pastor James, had written it, pointing out the pride that had been creeping into Mark's heart, the way he had dismissed others' advice, the way he had begun to think he knew best. Anger flared in his chest. Who is he to judge me? Mark thought. He had built his ministry from the ground up, endured sleepless nights, sacrificed everything to follow his calling. And now, correction? From someone he respected, no less? It felt like betrayal. He paced the room, his mind racing. His eyes landed on the worn Bible sitting on the desk. Almost without thinking, he flipped it open, and his gaze fell on 2 Samuel 12 verse 13. David said to Nathan, "I have sinned against the Lord." Mark swallowed hard. King David, God's chosen, had been confronted by Nathan over his sins. And David, though he had the power to reject or punish Nathan, didn't fight back. He didn't justify himself. He humbled himself. Mark sat down heavily. His breath came out shaky as he reread the letter. This wasn't an attack. This wasn't meant to break him. It was meant to restore him. A lump formed in his throat. Had he been so consumed by his own wisdom that he had stopped listening to God's voice through others? His pride had whispered that he didn't need correction. But the truth stood before him, undeniable. Slowly, he reached for a pen and a blank sheet of paper. "Pastor James," he wrote, "thank you. I needed to hear this. I don't like it, but I need it. Please, help me walk through this with humility." As he sealed the envelope, he exhaled deeply. Proverbs 27 verse 6 came to mind, "Faithful are the wounds of a friend, but the kisses of an enemy are deceitful." Maybe the wounds stung now, but they were wounds of love, not destruction. Final takeaway. Correction is never easy, but it's necessary. Like David, we all face moments where we must choose between pride and humility. Growth happens when we can listen, reflect, and change. Ask yourself today, do I resist correction, or do I welcome it with an open heart? Am I able to separate truth from personal attack? Do I have people in my life who correct me because they care, not because they want to tear me down? Because those who can be corrected can also be elevated. Even a small seed of faith can move mountains. Start planting. Wake up, pray up, and show up. God's got amazing things ahead for you today. Penned by Garry Conan Doyle. In worship of God's wonderful glory.
Hey, thanks for listening. If you're still here, something in this story or song clicked with you. So here's a little secret. When you hit thumbs up, it tells the YouTube gremlins, "Hey, more of this." And if you subscribe, it's like saying, "Yeah, I want in." So go ahead, tap like, hit subscribe, and make sure you don't miss what's next. Because this ride, it's just getting started.